A new month, so again it's time to, yes, record of course what the portfolio has been doing over the last month. It has been quite a bloody month, to be very honest with you. We're going to take a look at what the stocks have been doing, what the crypto has been doing, how my entire portfolio is holding up, and a small update about my business. So as you might know, my name is Vibe from Nesami, and it is my mission to make sure that everyone knows how to lead a financially healthy life. And this video is going to be slightly different. It's not going to be as edited as I usually do, because currently I am in Spain. I'm in Spain for a few weeks. I'm going to be staying for a week longer than I anticipated, more or less. So I'm going to be back home next week, Friday. But for now, these videos are going to be a little bit of a, well, I'm not sure lower quality, but at least less editing. So yes, I hope you will, excuse me for that. I hope you will be okay with that. So let's take a look at the portfolio as it is doing at this very moment. We can see that the cash position currently is standing at around 8,000 euros. It actually is a little bit higher right now because I need to put a few more things in my finance keeping, if you will. So I think it's a little bit higher, but let's keep it at 8,000 for now in cash. The large majority of the portfolio is in crypto right now. I remember when this was about 40% or something like that, and now it has ballooned into the 62% allocation. I definitely at some point am planning to minimize, or not minimize, but to take a little bit away from my crypto portions and to put that into stocks at some point. Right now, the growth portfolio of my stock portfolio has, of course, taken quite a big hit, because yes, in November we have gone down quite a lot. If you are into growth, then you might have experienced exactly the same thing. But it's good, of course, that crypto is holding up relatively well. Some cryptos, some altcoins are actually doing very, very well. So we're going to be taking a look at that as well. So, okay, 62% is in crypto, about 73,000 euros, and 32% is in stocks. That is about 38,000 euros. So in total, the portfolio, so stocks plus crypto, is about 111,000 for the month of November. I made a beautiful, very professional graph over here where you can track the portfolio over the last couple of months since the start of this year, January, where we started out with 78,500 euros. So right now we are, of course, still well above that level of January. But yes, we have been going up and down quite a bit. Especially we hit a beautiful all-time high here in March and April, and then we went down quite a lot in May and June and July. And then, of course, we rebounded a little bit to reach a new all-time high in October, of course, of 124,000. And right now we are a little bit lower again, mainly because of the stocks, because the stocks have gone on quite a lot and the crypto has held up pretty well. So let's take a look at the stocks listing. You can see all the positions over here. If you want to take a quick look, you can pause the screen if you want, but I'm not sure if that's super duper interesting for you. I'm going to very quickly, and let's zoom out a little bit so you can see the entire pie chart in one view. We can see that 14% is in TPGY. I'm not going to go over all the positions in a very detailed manner, but yeah, just very quickly. 14% TPGY going to hopefully merge with the VBox, still no news about that. 10% is in Upwork. I really like Upwork and I've been adding to my position. 10% is in STEM. STEM is right now actually getting quite interesting with regards to the valuation. Not financial advice, but it's very interesting. Lemonade, 10%. It has been going down quite a lot as well. Ag Eagle, I've been adding to my position there as well. I'm getting closer to the 2,000 stocks, so that's not too bad. But yeah, definitely a long-term play, Ag Eagle. Tesla, of course, you're going to know that one. I've been taking quite a lot of profits in Tesla in the last month. I've taken off 2 of my 5 stocks. It doesn't really sound like a lot, but yeah, one stock is like $1,200 nowadays, so that definitely adds up quite a bit. So I've been taking a little bit of profits over there, as I've mentioned in my Discord community. ChargePoint, I've taken a little bit of profits as well. Right now, 8% of my portfolio. 8% is in eHang as well. eHang is still declining quite a bit, a drone company. Teladoc, 7%. Teladoc going down a lot. I mean, ARK Invest has been investing quite a lot in Teladoc, and it looks like every single day they are buying the dip, but it keeps on dipping and dipping more. And Teladoc is one of their largest positions ever. Apart from Tesla, I believe it is the #1 position, or well, right now, apart from Tesla, it is the #1 position, but it is ARK Invest's #2 position with regards to the total amount of stocks that they own. I do imagine that if Teladoc goes up like 20 or if it goes up like 50% at one go, I do think that the ARK Invest is going to have more stocks in Teladoc than in Tesla. Anyways, I am diverging. So view 5%, a relatively small allocation over there, but I don't want to make it a lot bigger either. CRISPR Therapeutics 5% as well, Workhorse 3%, Alpine 4, I still have a little bit of that one as well, and then VACQ, I only have like 4 or 5 stocks. What do I have? Yeah, I think like 4 stocks or so, or 5 maybe. I'm not sure if you know the story behind VACQ, but I had or I still have, of course, hopefully, César. He was in the live streams quite a lot, and he wanted me to buy VACQ stock. This is right now actually a Rocket Lab, so that's a rocket company. And I had to buy he was sending me donations, and from those donations I had to buy a VACQ stock, so I still have a few left of those. So that is what the portfolio is looking like at this very moment. We can see the crypto portfolio. I haven't really updated it entirely. It should be quite accurate, but maybe not 100% accurate. But I think, the large majority of this portfolio is like it is on the screen as of this moment. We can see that the majority is in Bitcoin. I've actually taken a little bit of profits in Bitcoin, and that is mainly because I wanted to add more to my altcoin positions. Might even start a new altcoin position relatively soon, potentially in SushiSwap. So that might be an interesting one because of DeFi plus a combination of NFTs. They have an NFT marketplace as well, show you, but maybe more about that later on. So 61% is in Bitcoin right now, my largest position overall. Ethereum 17%, 12% is in Polkadot. I might actually want to add more to my Polkadot position because I really, really like Polkadot a lot, and they are right now building their ecosystem, as you have been hopefully noticing from my videos, because I've done quite a lot of research into Polkadot, and I might actually want to add to my position. Now I see that the percentage is lower than Ethereum. I wouldn't mind to bump this up to, like, I don't know, maybe even 20% of my crypto portfolio. Would definitely not mind that at all. Aave about 5%, so a relatively small allocation, and Chainlink also 5%. And then just a little bit of I still have a little bit of Crypto Blades, I believe. I'm not even too sure, but I think I have it, because the thing is, I'm right now in Spain, so I don't really have access to all of my files, so I can't really have a perfect administration, if you will, of all the numbers at this moment. But this should be more or less as it is right now. Then let's check out the ROI. It's actually funny because I'm still not sure if this is tracking it correctly, but I think it is. So I'm thinking actually about adding a cash position to my stock portfolio so that I can track the cash position as well. I need to look into that later. This is Dutch, by the way, if you're wondering what the hell is this kind of language. But definitely stocks have taken a big hit in the last month. If you're into growth, I already mentioned it, but we have gone down quite a bit in November. So I believe my stock portfolio is at minus 20.8% for the year to date, from January 1st until the 1st of December. Crypto, of course, still doing very well year to date, so 136.7%. So the total amount of ROI for the year is 41.3% as of the 1st of December, so just a few days ago. Well, keep in mind, I am mostly a long-term investor. So I don't really care that these stocks are down this much, quite a bit for now. I don't really care about that too much. I might, as I've said before, put a little bit of my crypto money into stocks at some point in the future. But on the other hand, I've been talking to people in the Discord community, and I've been like, I really like crypto, and I wouldn't even mind having a 100% allocation to crypto. Of course, that would be a little bit too risky probably, but I really would not mind doing like a 100% allocation because the returns are better. The world is so freaking interesting. I just love crypto. I just love it more and more each and every day. And maybe it's also because my stocks have been going down and my crypto has gone up. So that is probably also one of the reasons. Okay, with regards to my business, I can't give you a full-on update because of the things that I've just mentioned, that I am in Spain right now and I don't have access to all the information that I need to provide you with a clear update about my business. But I did want to show you quickly the YouTube analytics, so let me pull up this one. This one. So as you might know, a few weeks ago I got my 10,000 subscribers. It's awesome to have 10,000 subscribers. I've also been noticing that in November we had a few more views and more subscribers and more revenue, more watch time in November compared to the last couple of months. So you can definitely see that dip during the summer months. But right now it seems to be picking up a little bit more. So let's see if this is going to continue to go up. But keep in mind, I'm also making fewer videos, and I'm more focused on my Dutch channel. If you are Dutch, definitely check out Nesami Slim Beleggen, which is my Dutch channel. I'm trying to build that one into into 10,000 subscribers as well, of course, and hopefully even bigger over time. So that is going to be my main focus for the next couple of years, probably. So I think that's basically everything I wanted to mention. If you have any questions about myself, if you have any questions about my business, for example, because I actually think I'm going to be doing a separate video about my mission, about my current update, if you will, about Nesami. So what I'm currently doing, what my plans are for the next couple of months, what my plans are for the next couple of years, so that you have more of a understanding of what kind of things I'm into at this very moment. So again, if you have any questions with regards to my portfolio, with regards to my business, definitely let me know in the comments below. Also let me know if you would like to see something else during these portfolio updates, if you're interested in talking a little bit more about the stocks that I own, into my strategy, whatever questions you might have. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.